Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Men's General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in it. McMahon Line is a boundary between India and China, India and Bangladesh, China and Nepal, or India and Afghanistan. So among these given four options, we need to find the correct one. So let's get into the answer. The McMahon Line is a borderline between Northeast India and Tibet, proposed by Henry McMahon at the 1914 Simla Convention, which is considered invalid by the Chinese government. It is the effective boundary between China and India, although its legal status is disputed by Chinese government. Although its legal status is disputed by Chinese government. Therefore, the right option is option 1. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.